No, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
Hey, how was the gym? How was the gym? You go by yourself?
Should I get in his frame too? Fuck! Oh my god! Ah! I play the game of my life and I come up third.
I'm having the game of my life out of nowhere. Starting off slow. He picks up.
What are we on, guys?
I don't know. Can I do this? I want to go next. Guys, give me a
Hayden going for 4 in the row. 4 in the world. How you thinking?
It's not so long. I'm gonna get a fake.
Alright, let's see it.
Bro, we're neck and neck.
Going for 4 in the row, Peyton.
What the fuck? I'm on spares.
Watch Peyton sell this so hard. You got it, you got it,
I
you got
threw my lead so hard.
Let's go now. Too far right, too far right, too far right. No.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
The sister screaming.
Ah! He sells.
What the fuck, dude?
He sells the
Let me
3 strikes.
win.
God, so close. Lucas sells this game. He didn't sell. Hey, maybe he did. Look at this fan I've had going, Peyton. Spare strikes, spare, spare.
I got turkeys.
He's advancing.
I think it's my mustache. It's got to be my mustache.
I'm showing back right now.
Same, bro.
I should.
I'm going out. I'm going to do the sickest fucking mustache.
It's not gonna grow.
Got a choke? Oh no! No!
133.
You can't sell this. You can't sell it.
You're tied with me right now.
For the game. Peyton just can't sell it. That's all he's got to do.
So my first game of 20.
We got one.
Oh my god.
Are we tied?
You just tied with Connor.
All right. Well, I'm chokes. What if he ties?
Bro, there's no way he ties.
Lucas,
He's either gonna
Wait, he can't tie. He can't.
He's either gonna smoke or he's gonna suck.
Hey-oh. Oh, shit.
I'm warming up.
Got it.
Yeah, it's game.
What a game.
What a game indeed.
Oh fuck.
This is a very important
Oh,
moment.
there's one more? Oh no.
Right now, Connor's going. He's got one more bowl here. He's trying to beat Lucas. There we go.
Oh, that's not terrible.
He hit 124. All Lucas has to do is not throw, and he can win.
Let's take a video.
Payne's currently standing at 92. Let's see what he's got.
He can do something here with the strike. First strike, though. Gotta go first strike. He missed.
Damn. That was bad.
He's not mine.
He's out. He's down for the count.
Gotta get 5 pins or he's going 140. I'm gonna go and dying.
Trying to break 100. He can do it, but he's gonna have to actually hit some face.
He's got it. He's gonna spare.
Oh God. This game's getting a little spicy.
If he strikes here, he has a chance.
It's spicy, dog.
He's got to strike.
This shit's getting spicy.
He's got to strike here. Take that. Take that. I got like at least.
This is it right here. This is for game winner. And that's game. Look at that. Oh, okay, we'll look over here. Lucas, is that a new record?
I already got 145.
Is that a new record though?
Both of them are. I beat my record twice.
Guys, we almost beat a Hey, these are the old days. Welcome back. It's 1998 at the moment. Dude, I got my Subaru. This thing just came out little days ago. It's brand spanking new.
The visor on the thing?
What visor on it?
The OBS? God, I wish I had a truck like that. I got
shit.
the fucking blue
I
beater.
forgot we parked all the way out here. Here, let's turn on night mode. Let's see what it does. Currently in night shot.
Can you like, okay. My thing's still in here.
What thing?
This.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yo, there's a barn find back there. Oh, that's for sale, the plow truck. Diesel.
You want to give it a good start?
Oh yeah. You know, it's not good for it.
Yeah, bro's got the little light on the bottom of his car. So how'd you do tonight?
Fucking kicked ass. I did fucking great, dude. 145 is my new record. I used to be 128, which is kind of dog ass. I'm halfway to 300. Almost. Dog. This is where... Tell him this is where the cops sit, but it's right up ahead.
Is it really?
Yes.
He's driving like an
Brayden almost
idiot.
got pulled over there.
Really? When we? Oh, that one time we went with Braden?
Yeah.
That was so long ago.
When Brayden used to like be our friend.
He is still our friend.
Yeah. But
Just like,
dog.
what is he doing?
He's gonna get pulled over for drunk driving.
Literally. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there's like a cop sitting over here or something.
I mean, I don't see him.
Dude, you should not be fucking driving that fast when it's cold.
Bro's gonna hit that stupid railroad bump at like 1,000,000 miles an
Yeah,
hour.
he's gonna scrape it. You better be recording when he fucking scrapes the bottom of his car, dog.
I mean, I feel like he cares too much about his car. He got mad about the French fries.
Yeah, well, obviously not. He's probably gonna toll that thing. See, this kids is why you don't give a dumbass a fucking car that costs 20 grand with a fucking turbo in it. Because they're gonna drive recklessly and fucking total the shit. See, me, this is why I bought a piece of shit. It's not a piece of shit, but it is compared to that.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't crashed it yet because I'm just fucking loaded.
I mean, look at that. Look how many
One
miles
day,
that
bro.
thing's got.
One day, bro. I'm gonna fucking die in this thing. I swear to God. Because literally on the 26th, I'll have my license for a year, and on March 1st, I'll have had this car for a year,
That's crazy.
and I haven't got pulled over once, ever. And I'm like, happens to my shit that my parents do. Just know that.
Okay.
What the fuck is he doing?
I don't know. He's just like
He just
stuck.
came to the lead. He's gonna like pass me.
I sure hope not, bro. This is where the thing.
Alright.
Oh, son of a bitch. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. They're gonna think there's a fucking car coming and they're gonna shit their pants. So don't do that.
Fuck.
Bro. This paint is right behind us.
Yeah.
You can see the train coming.
This. Oh. Just honking his horn. Dog, this is some bullshit. I'm just trying to go home after bowling, dog. What the fuck? Dog, this is some...
You got paint behind us. Come on, focus. You can do it. There you go.
Oh, my chain fell out.
Oh, nah, he's fine. It's a big ass jump, dog.
Didn't even get air, but I don't
No.
want to get air.
No, not really. That's not a good thing.